If you're looking for a simple way to make money online, you're in the right place, because today I'll show you how you can get paid by simply clicking. And I'll not show you just one platform, but multiple ones that you can use and get paid again and again through different payment options. They are all absolutely free and worldwide available. Just make sure to follow every step so you can get everything right. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Emia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. With all of that said, let's now begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. The first platform that I'm going to show you guys today is this one right here called Scarlet Clicks. This is over at scarlet-clicks.info. As you can see, you're going to click on ads and get paid up to 1 cent each. Also, you can get paid by referring people. You can earn money by clicking ads and also by completing offers, and as we saw before, by referring new members, and you're going to get up to 100% referral earnings. The thing is that you can get paid with different payment options like Skrill, NetTeller, Payeer, ATM and Bitcoin account, but they do not offer PayPal, so don't worry, because I'm going to show you some websites which have a PayPal available. And the minimum to cash out with this website is just $2. So once you reach $2, you're going to be able to start cashing out, which is awesome because it's very low. In order to start with this website, all you need to do is to click in the register button up here. After that, enter some of your information and you're ready to go. The second platform that I'm going to show you today, guys, is this one right here called Surfbucks, and this is over at surfbucks.com, as you can see. If you scroll down, you're going to see that you can earn up to 1 cent per click. It may not seem like a lot, but it is just for clicking, even for the previous website that I showed you before. So you just need to click and earn money. You're going to get paid through Payeer and Perfect Money. This platform has only 2 payment options available, but don't worry, once again, you're going to get some other platforms which offer PayPal. And all you need to do in order to start with Surfbucks is to click on register up here, and you're going to do the same thing, enter some of your information and then start clicking, and you're going to make money. As you can see right here, advertisers, it means that people come here to pay for some advertisement, and Surfbucks pay people to click on those ads, and in this case it's going to be you. So they split the ad revenue with you. You're going to see that they offer instant payment and detailed statistics. So let's get to the third platform for today, which is this one right here called boxinside.com. With this platform, you're going to get paid every 10 seconds, and you're going to get paid for just browsing their advertisers' websites. So it works like the previous website. As a member, you can earn simply by viewing the advertisements that they display. It's simple as that. Also, with this website, you just need to reach $2 in order to be able to cash out, which is awesome. And they offer different payment options, including PayPal, as I promised you before, and also Payza, AdCash, BitGold, and so on. So in order to get started, just click on the register button up here, put your information, and that's it. And let's proceed to the next platform for today, because as I promised you, I'm going to show you multiple platforms that you can use in order to get paid by clicking, and you're going to maximize your results in this way. This one is my favorite one, and it's called SERPclicks, and it's over at serpclicks.com. As you can see on here, people come to grow their SEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic. So website owners pay SERPclicks to grow their click traffic, and SERPclicks pay people to click on those websites. And if you go over to product right here and then click on become a clicker, you'll be able to get paid by clicking. And as you can see, you're going to get paid to visit websites, and you're going to earn from 5 cents to 10 cents per click, which is a lot more than the previous website that I showed you today. And for example, if you click visit 100 websites, you're going to get $10 and so on, and it's only just by clicking. The payout minimum is $5, and if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see that you're going to get paid through PayPal, which is awesome. In order to join them, you need to click here to get started, as you can see. And let's now proceed to the other website for today. This one right here is called Neobucks, and it's over at neobucks.com. As you can see, you are just a minute away from changing the way you make money online forever. And you also have this picture right here, which is just a person clicking on his mouse. So this means that you're going to get paid by clicking. And as you can see, it says right here, by viewing advertisements. So you're going to click on ads and that's it. You're going to get paid also to take surveys, to complete quizzes, play games, and much more. So they offer different offers as well in order to get paid. And it's really cool to just play games and to get paid, so I really recommend to try it out. Also here you have the registration process. You need to put a username, password confirmation, an email. You have the referral box here, but you have not been referred by anyone, so just leave it empty. You have the birth year, verification code, then you're going to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy, and then click on continue so you can create your account. And as you can see right here, you're going to get paid with Skrill, RTM or NetTeller, but they also offer the payment options of PayPal and bank transfer, which is awesome. And the last website that I'm going to show you, which is also a bonus one, is this one right here called YSense. This is over at ysense.com. As you come over here, the first thing that you're going to see is that you can earn extra cash online. YSense is a global online community when they offer multiple earning options by taking some online surveys, by doing some cash offers and more. And you're going to see them right here, what they offer. You can get paid by trying new products and services, by downloading apps, by signing up for websites, by watching videos, and much more. In order to start with it, you just need to put your email right here, a password, then agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then click on join now. You can also refer people and earn money. You'll earn up to 30% of what your referral makes, which is awesome regarding this kind of website. And if you click on cash out right here, you're going to see how you're going to get paid, and you can get paid through Payoneer, PayPal, Skrill, and also through Amazon gift cards, which is awesome. So these were the multiple platforms that I wanted to show you today that can help you getting paid by just clicking. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you like this strategy, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, Aiden and Mia's World, with notifications on. Thank you for watching.